Now, I'm really excited today because I am riding with my new exhaust, bitch. Look at them badges. What? I got stealth exhaust. Just put it on last night. So, they're beautiful and they're loud. So, hopefully, it doesn't impact y'all's ability to hear me. I don't think it will. So, yeah. I'm really excited because, man, I was really nervous riding around with a really quiet bike because, as y'all know, people just don't see you. And they're on their phones. So, you know, I can't tell you how many times I've revved my engine to let somebody know I'm next to them, and they're like, oh, let me knock it over and take this biker out. So, yeah, I'm excited. I finally feel a lot better about riding. I mean, I loved riding before, but now I love it even more because it's loud. So yeah, it's Sunday. Hopefully there's not too much traffic and we can just enjoy this beautiful weather before it gets too hot in Texas. Texas gets so freaking hot. So yeah, it's so nice. Look at that. Yeah, got the tats out, got the arms out. Feeling the wind. I do have on some armor in my vest, okay? So my back is protected. I'll say that. But I hope everybody's weekend is going well. This morning, I went with a couple of girlfriends. We went to downtown Dallas and worked out at Self-Made. I'll try to throw a picture of us up there